Good morning from Oxford Street. So I'm off to go meet my friend Avi. Gonna be doing some shooting, some editing, drinking some coffee and some general shenanigans. Pretty excited for that. Let's head over there and go meet him. Morning.
Good morning. How are you,
Good
Philip?
to see you, man.
How are you?
Doing good. Currently in Tommy Hilfiger on Regent Street, using the Hasselblad and gonna get some great photos, take it to the next level. Medium format's definitely the future.
Are you waiting for a certain bus?
Of course, red bus is always key.
Oh, okay.
Always perfects that street shot, gives you that London feel, and Regent Street wouldn't be the same top.
Is this one of your secret locations?
Definitely is.
But no more?
Yeah, not so secret anymore. Tommy Hilfiger, don't tell anybody.
Okay.
That's where it's at. Kind of nothing.
I'm waiting for the red bus, just like you are. Where is it? Where is it? And that sign
All
is...
the way down there.
Oh yeah, there's one down there, and I see one coming. I can't see one if there's coming, but you know, hold on. There's probably one from the other side.
Here we go, here it is. And another one. Here we go.
What do you think about the sound?
It's amazing. Definitely memorable shutter sound. Makes the 5D sound like a toy camera. So that was a quality morning hanging out with Avi. Wasn't so much about taking photos, but rather about exchanging ideas, talking about creative direction and social media in general. So it's always great to get some inspiration from like-minded people and people you can associate with and people who you value their opinion of and who value yours. So I think that's incredibly important to develop, and yeah, I think him and my style are very much aligned. I do recommend you check out his profile. Take some amazing shots of central London and quality photographer and top-notch character all around. So head over to his Instagram page and go check it out. And the day does not end there. So the sunset's looking pretty decent, and I thought I'd head out and try capture that. Actually heading to the exact same spot as I went to my previous log. Reason being, conditions are a lot different, and I hope that makes for a very different photo. Kind of want to retry something similar that I had in mind last time and see if I can get some better results. So this is my setup for today. Using a neutral density graduated filter again, just to darken the sky and keep the foreground a little bit brighter. And then went for a very wide angle, just to capture in as much of the sunset as possible, but also get the London eye in shot. The boats also make an amazing foreground element, and really loving the mood today, which is way different from the last time I came here, which had completely cloudless sky. Anyway, without further ado, here's the shot I came up with. Let me know what you think in the comments below. So for the next shot, in addition to the graduated filter, I've included a neutral density filter, 10-stop filter, because that's great for adding a bit of motion to things. For example, maybe get a bit of motion blur on the clouds, get the water really flat, and maybe get a bit of movement on the London eye, which would look really cool. So here's what I came up with. Let's check it out. I think it's incredible how the same location can look very different on 2 different days, and it's not like shooting the same thing at all. So the picture comes out completely different, and the mood of the picture is completely different entirely. So I always like to come back to my favorite places in London and keep searching for that perfect shot. So I don't think I'll ever find it, and that's why I'm going to keep shooting at the same places, and I'm loving that challenge anyway. So day has started to turn to night now, and it's actually starting to grey over, and I don't think we'll get any more good photos today, even during the blue hour. It doesn't look so great when it's completely greyed over. So I think it's the perfect time to call it a day, and also to end this vlog. Hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, be sure to like and comment, and if you aren't already, I'd love it if you'd subscribe. See you in the next episode. Good night.